Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. I'll quickly show you what happened to this back wheel. If you can see this, guys, I'll hold it, I'll hold the tire. Now watch this. The whole thing is popping in and out. Like, the whole thing is just, every single spoke is loose from that ride, and that's why it was like it was. It's all floppy. But anyways, guys, here's the new wheel. Just finished it. And it is cool. So, yep, 20-inch BMX wheel and extra spokes. It hasn't got the extra fat axle, still stock standard, but all internally is, man, what a job to put those bearings back in. Jeez, you really need grease, but it is freewheeling really well. I redone everything. I'll show you in a slideshow clip very soon about that. But here is another wheel. This is I've got a front wheel. The front wheel's on the washing machine bike, but as you can see down here, here's the emblem. That's a Haro symbol. This is left-hand drive as well. And it's also got the threads here for right-hand drive, so you can make it both. It's a full-on chrome wheel, extra spokes, and extra fat axle. As a matter of fact, you can use a wheel brace to take that off and on. So yeah, really wrapped about this. Can't wait to get it on the bike. The rim is slightly wider than, yeah, than the first one. It's about the same as this one, but of course see how wide the spokes are apart. This thing, I am amazed that this got me back, guys. But anyways, let's go and have a look at the slideshow. Oh yeah, well, the reason why I didn't use the sprocket on this wheel is because the arrangement's different. So I'm going to show you how I done that. Okay, so here we go, guys. Welcome to the slideshow. I'll just quickly put you on the post so it's nice and still, and I'll quickly arrange this lighting. Here we go. Okay, so first of all, guys, very quickly, I shall show you what I done. Here we go. That little clip there that I pulled out right there is the old original clip that held this little thing that goes pops up and locks the gear in. So that was no good. So I built my own. Okay, so this is the inside of the sprocket, and see the way it's arranged and so forth. Yep, see that on there. So I found a spring which was slightly thicker steel and still high tensile. So I made another ring. Oh, there's those bearings. I didn't lose one, but you'll see soon something. So anyways, I whipped out the center of that, put that in, welded it in from the backside, put my clip in, and as you can see, it's working pretty good. Here's a side shot. You can see that is working really good as a spring. So this part is supposed to stick up, because when the sprocket, goes a certain way, it engages. And oh, there's those bearings, those dreaded bearings. Oh, okay, back to the sprocket. As you can see, it's all chrome, and this is just cleaning it up. Oh, now it's painted. That afternoon, I'd set the sprocket in the wheel and just finished painting it basically after it was welded and that. And you can see there a little bit more how that lip grabs on the teeth inside internally. And so, oh, yep, the bearings are in. See, grease, got all the bearings in. It's looking good. Oh, one left out. I left one out. Hey, but that's alright though, eh? Better than leaving 10 out. So, let's have a look at... yeah, mystery. Anyways. So anyways, yeah, here's a little bit of an alternator internals, and as you can see, you got your 3 wires poking out, and then generally somewhere over here is where the 3 wires get soldered together, tied off, and you don't really see that. But some of them have 3, some of them have some of them have 6 wires, 1, 2, 3, and another 3 around the side. Well, if you bring those around and join each one to there, and there, and then your controller coming off, it just makes it a double double motor basically. So yeah, guys, this is yeah, just comes out of an old alternator. That's the inside. Is the two slip rings bearing on the end. Um, yeah. There's the brushes right there, so that powers up the center, which that's the center. They touch the slip rings. Positive wire comes straight off that one. Negative wire comes straight off the other one. And that creates a magnetic field for the center. So yeah, guys. Yep, pretty cool. Awesome stuff. Alright, guys. Oh, I shall see yous in the next vid coming up. I'm going to go and put this wheel on the bike. So big shout out to my boys and my family out there and so forth. And cool. Don't forget to check out Redbeard's Garage. Ike's Adventures, Cars and Cameras, and Grind Hard Plumbing, and Rather Be Welding. Cool, guys. Cruiser Man out.